Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and stuttering in Arc Raiders for PC, PS5, and Xbox. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, fixing the lag and stuttering in Arc Raiders requires updating GPU drivers. Okay, so first up, let's just go ahead and update our system. So just go ahead and go to your search bar and type down system updates and click on check for updates. Right here, what you got to do is just click on check for updates, and if there are available updates, install them. And then once that's done, go ahead over to advanced options, go to optional features, install all available updates as well. And then after that, it will require you to restart your computer. So just restart your computer. And once booted, you go and find your NVIDIA app or AMD Adrenaline, or it could be the Intel application. I don't know what it's called. So just go ahead and go to the drivers tab and make sure that your drivers are updated as well. Okay. So once that's updated, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down graphics. Now click on graphic settings. Now in here, go ahead and find in the list, okay, Arc Raiders. For example, this one is Arc Raiders. Click on it. Make sure that GPU preference is set to high performance and your graphics card. Okay. Do the same with any games that you have in here. Okay, it's basically up to you. Now after that, go ahead and find a setting right here at the top. Go ahead and find Xbox, okay, and click on Xbox game bar. Disable this one. Disable this one as well. Now, if you have the NVIDIA app, okay, just basically disable any overlay. For example, we have the NVIDIA overlay right here. Disable it. You have Discord. Disable the overlay. Or Steam. If you have the Steam overlay, disable it. Okay. And then once done, go ahead and go to disk cleanup. Right here. I'm sorry. Disk cleanup. Local disk C. Now go ahead and find, untick everything. Find DirectX shader cache. Hit on OK. Delete files. Okay. And then after that, go ahead and open up your launcher. It could be Steam, Epic Games. Just basically verify. Click on properties. Okay. Install files, verify integrity of game files. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work or it got a minor effect, okay, you can go ahead and open up the game settings. Now, set the game to borderless full screen. Then go ahead and turn off VSync. Okay, also set the shadows and effects to medium or low. And then for upscaling, you gotta want to use DLSS, quality or balanced for NVIDIA or FSR for AMD. Okay, and once that's done, it should fix the lags and stutters in your Arc Raiders. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.